Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L y hoy vamos a hablar sobre el verbo estar. Hi, my name is Señora L, and today we are going to talk about the verb estar. Estar means to be. Now, in a previous video, we mentioned that there's also the verb ser, which also means to be. Ser is for the things that do not change. Ser is for our origin, our profession, our things that are like our family, things that are central to us. Estar, well, that can change on a daily, hourly basis. For example, yo estoy con mis cabras. I am with my goats. I will not be with them forever. I hope. Anyway, so today I'm going to go through the conjugations of the present tense of estar. Now, of course, there's past tense, what we were yesterday. There's the future tense, what we will be tomorrow. Present tense is what we are right now. And in another video, I also mentioned the pronouns. I, you, he, she. So I will be using those to conjugate estar. All right, so here we go. Yo estoy. I am. Yo estoy con mi perro Scout. I am with my dog Scout. Tú estás. Tú estás means you are. Tú estás mirando este video. You are watching this video. Tú estás. Ella está. Ella meaning she. Está meaning is. She is. Ella está contenta. She is happy because she just got fed. Él está. Él está nervioso. He is nervous because the goats are bigger than he is. Usted. Now, we mentioned in the other video, usted is the pronoun for you, but it is the you for respect. It is the you that you would use for someone who is older than you, a boss, a teacher, a principal, someone with whom, like I say, you want to give respect. So, usted está temprano. You are early. Yay! Okay, that's for usted. Now, when we want to say we in Espanol, nosotros is we, including a boy. Nosotras, if Scout were to run away like he kind of wants to do, and it was just we girls, I would say nosotras. You want to go? There you go, nosotras. Whether it's nosotros with the boy or nosotras, just girls, it's we. And we would use the same verb, estamos. Nosotros estamos alegres. We are happy. Or nosotras estamos alegres. We are happy. Okay. Now, then there's ellos. You might hear a goaty sound in the background, and that's my bucks over there. And they're a little upset that they're not getting attention. So, ellos están enojados. They are upset. Now, ellos meaning a group, they, that includes boys. Now, if I want to say ellas, as in that group of girl goats behind me that's upset because dogs are chasing them, I would say ellas están enojadas. They are angry because my dogs are being annoying. Last one, ustedes. Ustedes is the you plural, you all. Ustedes están increíbles. Oh, no, I can't use that one because that means that you are incredible, and that's son because that doesn't change. So, what thing or what adjective can I use that is something that is temporary? Ustedes están confusadas? You are confused because my dogs are chasing my goats right now. That is something that will change because in a second I'm going to take my dogs out of the video. So estar is for the things that are temporary, that can change. Yo estoy, tú estás, ella está, él está, nosotros estamos, nosotras estamos, ellos están, ellas están, ustedes están. This is for the verb estar. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to subscribe and look at more of our crazy videos, please do so below or check the bell and get notifications for our future videos. Until next time, estudiante, hasta luego.